Ever heard of the S&P 500, Dow Jones, or Nifty 50, but not quite sure what they are? Let's break it down. These are called stock indices. So what is a stock index? A stock index is a group of selected company stocks that represents a portion of the stock market. Think of it like a scoreboard, showing how the overall market or a specific sector is performing. Now, here are a few popular ones. Small blue diamond, the S&P 500 tracks 500 of the biggest companies in the US, like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. Small blue diamond, the Dow Jones, includes just 30 major US companies, a classic measure of US market health. Small blue diamond and the Nifty 50 tracks 50 top companies in India across different industries. When these indices go up, it usually means investors are feeling confident. When they drop, it could signal fear or economic slowdown. You can even invest in an index using ETFs, like buying a small piece of every company in that group. It's smart, diversified, and beginner-friendly. Follow for more simple stock market tips.